Hi everyone. So today we're making a rich, slow-cooked bolognese that literally fills the kitchen with the most amazing smell ever. It takes a little bit of time, but every spoonful is so worth it. So let's get started. Start by cooking the pasta. Today I'm using penne pasta, and make sure to add a tablespoon of kosher salt. Then in a heavy oven-proof pot, add oil and butter, and add your onions, your garlic, your celery, and just a touch of chili flakes. Then add your ground beef and ground pork. I like to add pork in this only because pork provides a nice sweetness to it. But you can do beef only, or you can even make this vegetarian. Do it with Impossible Meat. So season the meat with sugar, salt, pepper, and you want to make sure to crumble the meat, and then add your tomato paste. Stir well and cook until the meat loses its pink color. Next comes the creamy richness, a splash of whole milk and a pinch of nutmeg. And then in goes the dried oregano along with dried basil, followed by white wine. And then deglaze the pot because that's where all the flavor's at. Then add your pasta water, hand-chopped tomatoes with their juices. And what's a mirepoix without carrots? So I completely forgot to add carrots before, so I'm adding them now. Then add your bay leaves and Parmesan rind, which gives it that extra depth. Bring it to a boil, then cover, put it in an oven at 375 degrees for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the sauce is thick and rich, so remove your Parmesan rind along with your bay leaves and add Parmesan cheese. Then toss in your al dente pasta. I love how flavorful this bolognese is, and all that matters is I got my kids' seal of approval because they think this is pretty incredible. Once you try this bolognese recipe, you'll never want to eat bolognese anywhere but at home. Garnish with even more Parmesan cheese, and I like my food spicy, so I'm adding even more red chili flakes. Wow. So here it is, slow cooked bolognese. The pasta literally clings to the sauce perfectly. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time.